Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all going well. Yesterday we talked about the campaign waged in South Africa against the hippopotami that used to graze on agricultural land along the river banks. And we have seen the unexpected repercussions of that particular act or reckless attitude of human beings to disbalance the natural cycle, right? Today we will look at this paragraph, the damage to our environment and the harm it can bring to human and animal life from injudicious alteration of the ecosystem are obvious. An ecosystem that took billions of years of evolution to establish. It means that the harm or the damage that can bring to human life as well as other organisms from the very unwise change or adaptation of the ecosystem by human beings are clear or crystal clear. To make it simpler, you can say that the damage, the negative impact that can bring human and animal life into danger due to our unwise or imprudent or inadvisable adaptation, right, or adjustment are obvious or clear. You can see the effect, the influences, the negative impacts of our unwise decisions, unwise adaptation to the ecosystem. And you should also be aware of the fact that the ecosystem surely has taken billions of years of development. Evolution means development to establish, to well root it. Right. Injudicious means unwise, alteration means change, adaptation, right, or you can say modification or variation, right? And evolution means development, right? Establish means well rooted or form. Areas devastated by one or more problems, like Los Angeles with its smoke, West Virginia with its strip mining, are trying to correct the problem. These are the areas which are devastated, which are ruined, which are destroyed, especially Los Angeles with its smoke. Los Angeles is devastated or ruined with its smoke. Smoke means air pollution by a mixture of smoke and fog. F-O-G, fog. Smoke, S-M-O-K-E, smoke and fog. It is a mixture of smoke and fog. And West Virginia, another state in America, with its strip mining. Strip means narrow, mining means excavation or extraction of earth, right? So they are trying to correct, they are trying to compensate, they are trying to correct the problem. Other areas not yet polluted are taking measures to ensure that the quality of their water, air and land is not degraded. And there are areas which are yet not okay, got polluted or gotten polluted, okay, they are okay also taking steps, okay, to make it sure the quality of their air, water and land, okay, is not demean or debase. Degraded means demean, D-E-M-E-A-N, demean or cheapen, okay. Yet often it has taken either government or private spokesmen to point out the dangers. Many communities were unaware of the threat until the late 1960s. Okay, this says that though the government or private spokesmen or representatives, okay, have been pointing out about the dangers, okay, posed to the nature, but despite the fact, okay, they're left with they left many communities or they left many people, okay, unaware of the threat, okay, until the late 1960s, when in any cases the problem had reached an almost irreversible point, when at the time, okay, in most of the cases or in many cases the problem had reached to, okay, unchangeable. Irreversible means unchangeable, or you can say unalterable point, okay, when they got aware about the threat, okay, the problem reached almost irreversible or unalterable point. The question before our society, based on our new and growing perception of the effects of human pollution of the environment, is both elementary and monumental. Okay, the question which is before our society, okay, is based on our new, okay, developing perception or ideas about the effects of human pollution of environment, and that question is elementary. Elementary means fundamental, basic, and monumental. Monumental means historical, or you can also mean it to say like monumental means important or significant, right? The question, okay, which is before our society, before us, is important, and the question is the impact of pollution on human, the human impact of human pollution, okay, to the masses. Will we pay for the cleanup of rivers, oceans, the landscape and the air? It is a very important question. Will we go for sacrifice? Will we get up, okay, to sacrifice, okay, for the cleanup of rivers, oceans, the landscape and the air, the abiotic factors? How will we pay if we are, okay, ready to pay, if we are ready to sacrifice, okay, then how will we pay? Can we simply pay cash, or must we give up some of our, okay, now taken for granted machines and luxuries? Okay, this is important question. If we, okay, if we are ready to pay for it, to go for sacrifice, then what should be the mode of payment, right? Okay, can it be simply pay cash, or we must, okay, abandon, or we must refrain, or we must stop using, okay, the granted machines and luxuries? Are we ready to give them up? Are we ready to give, okay, many of our luxurious equipments in order to save those, okay, resources which are, okay, really important for survival, for our healthy survival on this planet Earth. This is important. The scope of the environmental problems has been well established. Now the situation, okay, has reached like, okay, the range of environmental problem, since it is, okay, widely separate menace, okay, it has become a widely separate menace, so it is well rooted, well established, the problem. Okay, the question is, what can the citizens do about helping to ease the burden? Okay, the question is that how can individuals can minimize, can, okay, reduce the burden? Action groups should be formed to ensure passage of environmental legislation. Okay, there should be formed action groups. Action groups means those groups which believe in action. So those groups should be formed, okay, and they should ensure the flow of environmental legislation. Legislation means laws. They should ensure, okay, framing laws regarding environment or protection of environment, right? Ecology courses should be given at many levels of education system. It can also be done. Ecology means study of science that deals with environment and ecosystem. Okay, in order to make the people, okay, aware of the importance of environment and the hazards, okay, which is posed, okay, to nature, right? In order to make them aware, ecology courses or courses related to environment and ecosystem should be given, okay, space at many levels of education, like at primary level, at, okay, kindergarten level, primary level, elementary level, secondary level, and higher secondary level, right? Okay, in order to make, okay, public or people more aware of environment and its importance. And just plain watching one's own garbage and littering is a beginning. And you know, it is said that charity begins at home. If you manage your own home garbage and rubbish, etc., and etc., that would be the beginning. Okay, being a citizen, what can you do, okay, at your level? The best is to manage your own home garbage, home rubbish, home littering, etc., and etc. properly. You should not throw, or you should not let your, okay, family members throw home garbage, okay, wrappers, etc., and etc. openly into the streets and into the water. Okay, rather you should yourself, and you should also make your family members, okay, dispose those, okay, litterings off properly, right? That can be the beginning. But all of these and other measures assume a knowledge that the ecosystem is in danger. But all the measures, okay, but all the steps we are taking, or we are, okay, we are thinking to be taken or to take, signal that our ecosystem, our environment is in danger or at stake. Our ecosystem is at stake, right? Certainly not everyone knows it or agrees to the extent the earth is, okay, scarred. Scarred means marked, dotted, right? Combined with real concern is the only way the society as a whole can deal with the costs and efforts of the cleanup ahead. No, sorry. I have skipped this line. and jumped on this. Okay, certainly not everyone knows it or agrees to the extent that earth is scarred or the air is polluted. The air polluted. Okay, indeed, undoubtedly, there is no doubt, okay, that, okay, everyone doesn't know or everyone doesn't agree to that level that the earth is marked, okay, dotted. Scarred means dotted, or the air is polluted, because they cannot see, and it is our habit that we are not gonna believe those things which we do not see. Just like scientists say that there is a hole in the ozone, okay, but we do not believe because we cannot see, right? That is the problem. So it is also a fact that everyone is not, okay, agreed, or everyone doesn't know. Common public acceptance of the problem, it is important. Okay, it is important to make the public, the general public, okay, accept the problem, coupled with real concern, combined with real concern, real worries, is the only way the society as a whole can deal with the costs and the efforts of the cleanup ahead. If we want to recompensate, or if we want to, okay, minimize the effects, the negative impacts of, okay, the environment, the polluted environment we are facing right now or these days, and if we want to have a clean, green, neat environment, then it is important that, okay, common public acceptance must be there regarding this problem, and they must feel, okay, this with real concern, real worry, okay, and this would be the only way that a society can, as a whole, can, okay, cope with this issue. Just as the ecosystem is made up of thousands of functions, all depend in some way on each other, the society too has to depend on all its members, okay, to treat the problem with seriousness. Okay, there is coordination, just like our body has a coordination system, and the central system is the brain, and each and every organ has to follow the brain. Just like the society, okay, has coordination. We are social animal, means we need cooperation, we need help, okay, we depend on each other. Every citizen, every person, okay, every individual is important, okay, every individual, okay, regardless of what profession he or she has, is important to carry the business of life, right? Why? Because society has coordination. So a society also has to depend on all its members, okay, to cope with the problem with seriousness. Okay, the minority cannot achieve a clean, healthy world. It will take a vast majority of population, okay, to, okay, there should be a phrase like, to make that world a reality. Okay, if we want to have a clean, a green, a neat, a healthy world, then the majority should come forward, okay, and play their roles. Why? Because minority means the population which is in the smaller number, okay, cannot achieve the goal, right? So majority should be made aware of the problem, majority should be made aware of the, okay, significance of environment and hazards, right? So that they can, okay, come up with innovative ideas, okay, to cope with this menace, right? Thank you guys. I hope you should have enjoyed this lesson, right? Thank you.